In late 1944, the submarine USS Poacher patrolled the frozen waters of the Kuril Islands on her third war patrol. She torpedoed and sank a Japanese trawler, and just days later opened fire on a group of fishing boats. But what began as routine surface action quickly turned into disaster. As the 20mm cannon fired its first magazine, the muzzle burst apart. Fragments tore into the nearby 5-inch gun crew. Signalman R.H. Cooley was knocked unconscious when a shard pierced his helmet and skull. Electrician's mate C.C. Carter, bleeding from deep wounds in his back, stayed at his post for minutes before collapsing. And Gun Captain B.E. Newell suffered a cut to his arm but kept directing fire until the action ended. The fishing boats went down, but the cost was heavy. With 3 men wounded and no doctor aboard, Poacher was forced to abandon her patrol and return to Midway, defeated not by the enemy but by her own gun.